Hello, welcome to another instruction video from Swandoo. Today we will be guiding you step by step on how to reinstall the fabric cover on Marie. For that, of course, we need the fabric cover. And this in general is very easy. Yeah, now let's take a look at that in slow motion. We will now pass the harness through the openings on both sides in the bottom and close with the velcros. We'll be using now the fabric tool that comes in the rear pocket of the headrest cover. Right, partly you remove this for washing, this is the place where you find it. And we'll be using this tool to insert the fabric in all the perimeter of Marie. We will show you in detail. After we have finished placing the main fabric cover, we will be doing the headrest. For that, we will insert first the foam and plastic part that we removed from the flap. Then we will put it over the headrest area. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was entertaining at least. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us at hello@swandoo.com. We will be always very happy to hear from you. Bye, thank you, and catch you in the next one.